In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall unwanted programs. And most people tend to want to do this through Windows. All you have to do is click on Start, come up here to where you see Control Panel, click on Control Panel. In most cases, your view is actually going to be by category. And if it's by category, then all you'll have to do is select Uninstall Program right there. If the view is actually by large icons, then you'll want to scroll down until you find Programs and Features. And then from here you can click on a program and then select Uninstall Change. And you can uninstall it from there. I'll show you what it looks like. Hit uninstall. And then it comes up with just a standard program uninstaller. The issue is that doesn't clear out the registry. But if you install Advanced System Care and you're running Advanced System Care, it installs a program called Uninstaller. This right here is the icon for it. Double click it. User account control will come up. Just click yes. And you'll see one right here that says Hot Toolbar. If you have a bunch of nasty toolbars that you don't want on there, this is a really great way to get rid of them. And you can actually see that I have several toolbars. If you don't want a toolbar, all you got to do is click it, click uninstall, click yes. As soon as it finishes the main install, hit powerful scan. If it says no items found, great, you are done. That is completely and totally gone. Now if you've got a program that you want to remove, if you just recently installed it, it'll be under the recently installed. If it's a large program, it'll be under large programs. But your best bet is to go to all programs and then look for what you're wanting to remove. In my case, I'm going to remove a game that I don't play anymore. Mostly because it's become corrupt and doesn't want to work right anymore. Where if you click the uninstall, you'll see that comes up and it runs the standard uninstaller. When the standard uninstaller comes up, just run it. It'll go through and do the uninstall. And then as soon as it does that, it'll drop down to powerful scan. Click powerful scan. This process sometimes can take a little bit because it's having to go through the registry and check for any leftover or left behind items. Once the scan completes, you'll see if there's leftover items, it'll come up like this. All you have to do is click select all and delete. And then it'll ask, are you sure? Yes. Delete finished. Boom. That program is officially gone. It's completely removed from the registry. This IOBIT Uninstaller absolutely does wonders for helping to keep your system cleaned out, especially for removing programs that you don't want. You can also get the IOBIT Uninstaller just by going to www.iobit.com. Go up here to Products. And you're looking for the IOBIT Uninstaller 2, which is right here. It too is a free download. All you have to do is click on the free download. It'll bring you to this page. Just click download now up here in the top left. Save. It's a pretty small program, so it really shouldn't take a whole lot of time to install. Then to install it, once it's done downloading, all you have to do is click right here, click run, or whatever's up for your particular browser. And then it'll pop up the security warning. Click run. just open it. Alright, and here's the installer. Click accept. And then it's going to use IOBIT downloader. Click install and exit. And it's going to come up with user account control. Just click yes. And then once it's finished installing, it'll start up and run IOBIT Uninstaller. At that particular point, you can uninstall any of the software you need to, anything that you don't use anymore, anything that happened to get on there that you don't want on there, like the toolbars. And this will seriously help to keep your system clean. I can't stress that enough, because of the fact that this particular program will go in and look for leftover bits and pieces of the program on the hard drive. Plus, it also goes and checks for anything that's left over in the registry, and you can remove all of it. So you actually remove the entire program. You don't just uninstall it and leave parts and pieces like the Windows uninstaller does. This is a free program. All I show are free programs that work absolutely great. And anytime you want to check, I would actually recommend at least once a month bringing it up to check to see if there's any programs installed on here that you don't use. You got to be very careful though, because you'll see like the Microsoft Visual C++, a lot of stuff like that you don't want to remove. But if it's an actual program that you've got an icon on the desktop for, or it's under your programs and you don't use it, you can uninstall it. The big thing is the toolbars, to be able to clean those out. Getting rid of those. Oh, there's another one that I don't want. It's just a really good tool for helping to keep your system up and running and clean. As always, if you know someone that has a computer that needs help with their system, by all means direct them to my videos. And the information's out there for absolutely everybody, so you can learn how to do all this and take care of it yourself. And as always, watch, like, and share. And have a good day.